Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 124 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ ابتلى إبراهيم ربه بكلمات. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. E. Hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give E sound. E. Dib. For kasra, give E sound. When you are attaching with the second letter, don't you make sure that E sound of kasra should be there. It shouldn't be dropped. Dib. First say E and then attach with ba. Riba. And ba will get qalqala, and qutubu jaddin are the letters qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Whenever they come with sukoon, it gets qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Like you close the makhraj very tightly and then you open little, that will create qalqala. Riba. Riba. Ta is short. La, 4 counts long. La, because this is mad munfasil jaiz. When there is a mad letter in one word and the hamza in other word, then this will create mad munfasil. Munfasil means separate. Jaiz, it can be there and you can drop it, but we make sure that we make it 4 haraka long. Ib for kasra, give E sound, and hamza is a very sharp sound. Ib, and create qalqala on ba, because this is part of qutubu jaddin of ta, ba, jim, dal are the letters. When these comes with sukoon, it gets qalqala. Ib, ra is 2 counts long, and it is heavy too, because whenever there is fatha or dhamma on ra, it is heavy. Ib, ra, he is 2 counts long. Ma, short. Ibrahim, Rabba. Again, ra is heavy because this is with fatha. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is a heavy letter. Then ra is attached with ba. Rabbu, bu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Hu, 2 counts long, and make sure you circle your lips for dhamma here too. B for kasra, give E sound, and it's short. B, ka is short. Li, ka is light too. B, ka, li is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Bi, kalima, ting. There is ikhfa. So you are hiding the sound of tanween and going towards the makhraj of fa. What do you do in ikhfa? There are 3 things you have to do. Firstly, you shouldn't say the sound of tanween. No, this is actually matin, but no, you will hide this sound. And what other thing you will do? You will go towards the makhraj of fa. Like you will not say tanween, but you will go to the makhraj of fa and make your mouth ready to pronounce fa. And thirdly, you have to bring ikhfa, idgham, sorry. You have to bring ghunna into it. Bikalimatin. Ghunna should be there in ikhfa. In all ikhfas, the ghunna should be there. Bikalimatin fa. Fa is short. A from your throat, and for fatha open your jaws. Hamza is a very strong letter. It should be pronounced very sharply. Fa, a, them, for ta, for fatha open your jaws, and then attach it with meme, and meme will get gunna. Whenever meme or and noon, these are the two letters which are huruf gunna in Quran. Whenever it gets tashdid, it will get a longer period of gunna. Tam, look how long I'm holding it. Tam, and for fatha, this fatha is very short. Ma, tamma. So gunna is being created when you are attaching ta with meme. This is the point where gunna should be there, but the fatha is very short. Ma, tamma, hun. For dhamma, circle your lips. And whenever you will stop on meme or noon with tashdid, when you will get stopped, if you will stop on the waqf, you have to bring gunna too. You cannot drop gunna even here on the waqf. So how will you stop? Hun, fa'atammahun. Even I'm stopping, I'm not dropping the gunna. Qala, qa is heavy and it is 2 counts long. La, short. Qala, in, hamza is a very strong short. For kasra, give e sound and attach with noon, and noon will get gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer period of time. In, and then there is a long vowel too, because this is the part of this combination. Ya sakina qablaha maksur. Whenever you find kasra before ya sakina, you will make ya long. Inni, ja, 2 counts long. I, ain from your throat, and for kasra give e sound. Ja'ilu, for dhamma circle your lips. Ka, ja'iluka. Lin, for kasra give e sound, and don't drop it even you are attaching it with the coming up letter. Lin, then you are giving gunna on noon because it is with tashdid. Whenever noon and meme with tashdid, you have to bring a longer period of gunna. Lin, na, then this is a long vowel too, because this is part of this combination. Look, alif sakna qablaha maftuh. Linnasi, for kasra, give e sound, and it's a very short sound. Linnasi, e, for kasra, give e sound. Hamza is a very sharp sound. Make sure it should be sharp e. Ma, 2 counts long, and you are stopping over here, so this will be 2 counts long too, because this will be mad arid للسكون. Sorry, this is mad awab. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween into mad. So imama, this is mad awab. Qala, qa is 2 counts long, la is short. Qala, wa, circle your lips. For wow, for fatha open your jaws. Min, there is ikhfa, and ikhfa, the major part of ikhfa is gunna, so you will keep the sound in your nose. Wa min dur, so dhamma, circle your lips and attach it with ra, durri. For kasra, give e sound, durri, and then ri will be attached with ya. Don't drop the sound of kasra because you are attaching it with ya. So be very careful about it. Zurri, ri. Ya, short. T, 2 counts long. Zurri, قال. Qa is heavy. It will be 2 counts long too. La short. قال la 2 counts long. Here is a very soft sound. And for fatha, open your jaws. Na 2 counts long. La yanalu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Ah. Ain from your throat and attach with ha, and ha will get rukhawa. Rukhawa is a flow of breath, flow of sound, sorry. So sound should flow very well. Ah, deal. For kasra, give e sound and don't drop while you are attaching with dha. Deal. So dha has rukhawa. So the sound should flow, and ra is heavy too. So make sure you make it heavy and the sound should flow too. Deal, deal, and then it is long too because it's the part of longer gunna. Look, this is the combination which is working over here. Wali for kasra. Give e sound. Me. You are creating mad arid sukoon over here. So make it 4 haraka long. And when you will stop, you will give tawassut on noon. قال لا ينال عهد الظالمين وإذ ابتلى إبراهيم ربه بكلمات فأتمهن قال إني جاعلك للناس إماما قال ومن ذريتي قال لا ينال عهد الظالمين سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.